Top 5 animal idioms you need to know. Number 1. Raining cats and dogs. Meaning, it's raining heavily. Example, it's raining cats and dogs, so don't forget your umbrella. Number 2. The elephant in the room. Meaning, an obvious problem that people are avoiding. Example, we need to talk about the elephant in the room. The budget cuts. Number 3. Hold your horses. Meaning, telling someone to wait or slow down. Example, hold your horses. Let me finish my sentence. Number 4. Curiosity killed the cat. Meaning, being too curious can lead to trouble. Example, don't look through my phone. Curiosity killed the cat. Number 5. A fish out of water. Meaning, someone who feels uncomfortable or out of place. Example, at the fancy dinner, I felt like a fish out of water.